welcome to Scribble Practice. Today I have a little bit more time, so I found this piece of scrap canvas and I thought, okay, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to play around with watered down paint and watercolor crayons. So yeah, that's what I'm going to get started with. I'm going to actually maybe use this colored water to start. And just has a gentle pink. This canvas doesn't have any primer or gesso on it. It's just fully raw. So the water will bead on it for a little while and then eventually it will sort of settle in. Just thought I'd start with that. And actually this I just feel like putting on the water that's already there, sort of blending it in. I might just keep doing that actually. I do have these little containers in case I feel like mixing the paint first with the water and then pouring it rather than sort of working it into the water that's already here. But I'm having fun with this option right now, so I'm just gonna stick with it. If you don't have a piece of canvas, it's totally fine. You don't have to do exactly what it is that I'm doing. Just grab something to make marks on and something to make marks with, and give yourself the space to play around and try things out. That's all this is. I really like playing around on canvas and spilling water with color in it. It's actually what I offer in the Ask the Colors service as well, which is a co-created piece of intuitive art to support your evolution. And it's a 16 by 20 piece of canvas done in this sort of style, but very much personalized to the colors you need at this moment. And what's cool about this is you never really know what it's gonna turn out like until it dries, especially if there's lots of water, because the lots of water makes it so you can't really see. What's going on underneath it. So that's why I like to use it for the Ask the Colors, because it really does allow the colors to sort of blend as they would like. There's less influence available. liking all these sort of light, pastel-y, warm colors. But I'm getting the inkling to put a blue in here, which makes me start to feel nervous because oftentimes I don't like it as much, even though it's what is meant to be created. I don't like it as much often, but gotta go with it. It's a specific blue that I am thinking of, this one. It's still quite a light pastel-y color. I wonder how it will mix in. Getting very specific color guidance for this one. Not so much placement. Sometimes I get both, but this one is very clear on color. Another thing I really like to add to these is this powdered pigment, this gold. powdered pigment. that feels done for me today. Thanks so much for being here. I hope you had a chance to explore something new and different and just had a chance to let the colors mingle together. If you would like to keep creating, there's another activity right here for you. Woohoo! Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow for another scribble practice. Bye!